Mustang Coupe.
It's a good price. 24?
9.
24.9. That's not original interior, is it? Does it say original interior? Check that out, will you? On the board. Is that original interior? Original interior would be quite amazing. It looks like original interior. I see the fading on the carpet. Manual. That's a 3-speed, right? Ed?
Yes.
It's a 3-speed? That's original interior, am I right? Doesn't say? Doesn't say, does it? See, I always ask the hard questions.
Yeah.
I do. I'm
I'm
going to stump you all the time.
Beautiful red vinyl bucket seats.
It looks original to me, guys.
Ocean of red, thick pile carpet.
It's too nice. It's got to be redone.
Which presents in fair condition.
That's more than fair condition, in my opinion. Wow. My gut is it's an original interior, but we don't know that. Usually, if it's an original interior, they say it. It's got the GT package on the tailpipes. Notice that. That's nice. It's a nice setup. And let me see if it's got the GT package on the front. It doesn't. It doesn't have the extra lights on the front. But this is a clean, black, beautiful 1965 Mustang Convertible for $24,900.
Correct.
$24,900. And then again, I'm just going to do a pan in here because, well, I don't know. I'm getting excited, so I'm just going to keep shooting. SS Chevelle, and she is a 398. Wait a minute, 396. Sorry, guys. 396. I'm still learning. I'll always be learning. Carl Dianca, I know this car excites you. Dianca's Auto Collision in Palm Springs, California. Thinking about you, Carl. Especially when I see those cars. But again, I'm going to try to do slower pans than I normally do because I do them too fast. All right. Mercedes too. Uh-oh, I'm getting sucked in. I'm getting sucked in by a Pontiac. Look at this car.